Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Hayward temperature sensor is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components for maintaining optimal pool and spa conditions, ensuring your water is always at the perfect temperature for relaxation and enjoyment. This advanced sensor provides real-time, accurate temperature readings, allowing your Hayward heater or heat pump to efficiently regulate the water temperature, preventing both discomfort from overly cold water and potential damage from overheating. Investing in a reliable temperature sensor means peace of mind, knowing your pool system is operating at peak performance and your aquatic environment is consistently inviting. Number 5. Hayward AquaRite W3 AQR3 Salt Chlorine Generator. Introducing the Hayward AquaRite W3 AQR3, your solution for consistent chlorine sanitization. It keeps pools up to 15,000 gallons crystal clear with minimal effort. Experience significant cost savings with this advanced system. It can reduce your pool maintenance expenses by up to 50% compared to traditional methods, all while ensuring sparkling water. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals. This system generates chlorine from salt, providing a gentler experience for swimmers and reducing issues like skin dryness and swimsuit fading. Enjoy the convenience of an intuitive LED monitor with service alerts. It notifies you when maintenance is needed, eliminating the need to handle messy chlorine tablets or liquids. Setting up is a breeze. This generator integrates seamlessly with your existing pool system, requiring no additional plumbing for automatic chlorine generation. What we like. This system provides steady chlorine for pools up to 15,000 gallons, offering significant cost savings over traditional methods. If you're looking for a more gentle and cost-effective way to maintain your pool's clarity, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for homeowners who want to reduce chemical costs and swimmer irritation. What people say. The Hayward temperature sensor accurately measures water temperature, providing real-time data for pool and spa management. This sensor is designed for easy installation and integrates seamlessly with Hayward automation systems, offering convenient control over water temperature settings. Number 4. AirPro 520272 Air Water Solar Temperature Sensor. Introducing the AirPro 520272 Temperature Sensor, your cost-effective solution for pool and spa temperature monitoring. It's designed to be a perfect replacement for your existing unit. Crafted from premium, heavy-duty materials, this sensor is built to last. It offers a 50% longer life cycle compared to standard replacements, ensuring reliable performance. This model features a convenient 20-feet cable and a 10K ohm thermistor, providing accurate and flexible temperature readings for your system. Our replacement parts are mechanic approved, guaranteeing a fit that meets or exceeds OEM specifications. You can trust its quality and compatibility. It is compatible with popular control systems like Easy Touch, Sun Touch, Pentair IntelliTouch, and ComPool. It also fits Pentair Minimax Plus pool and spa heaters. This is an aftermarket product by Calpani, rigorously tested to meet or exceed OEM performance. Enjoy high-quality functionality without the OEM price tag. What we like. This offers a perfect, cost-effective replacement for your temperature sensor with premium, heavy-duty materials that increase its lifespan. If you need a reliable and durable part that is compatible with major pool and spa control systems like Pentair's, this is the one to consider. It's a great option for DIYers looking for quality without the OEM price tag. What people say. The Hayward temperature sensor accurately measures the water temperature, providing real-time data for pool management. Its durable construction ensures longevity, even in harsh pool environments. The sensor integrates seamlessly with Hayward pool automation systems, offering convenient control and monitoring. Number 3. Pentair Sta-Rite Stack Flue Sensor 42002-0024S. This replacement sensor is designed for a wide range of Pentair MasterTemp and Sta-Rite MaxiTherm pool and spa heaters, including models SR200, SR333, and SR400. This part is a direct replacement for OEM part number 42002-0024S. Please verify your part number before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. It plays a crucial role in preventing overheating by monitoring flue gas output, ensuring safe operation within its specified temperature range and resolving common error codes. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a smooth thread, this sensor is built for longevity and easy installation. Remember to turn off power and wear gloves for safety. We are committed to providing a seamless shopping experience with high-quality replacement parts. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we offer excellent customer support for any issues. What we like. This stacked flue sensor is designed to prevent flue gas output from exceeding safe temperatures and is compatible with Pentair MasterTemp and MaxiTherm heaters. If your pool heater is showing error codes like E02, E05, or E06, this premium quality sensor is a direct replacement that can fix the issue. It's perfect for those who need a reliable part to ensure their heater operates safely and efficiently. What people say. The Hayward Temperature Sensor accurately measures the water temperature, providing real-time data for pool management. Easy to install and integrate with existing Hayward pool systems, the sensor ensures reliable temperature readings. The durable design of the Hayward Temperature Sensor withstands harsh pool environments, offering long-lasting performance. Number 2. Hayward GLX PC12 KIT Thermistor Temperature Sensor Replacement Kit. Ensure your Hayward salt chlorine generator operates at the optimal temperature. This replacement kit provides precise readings for consistent performance. Designed as a direct fit for your existing Hayward salt chlorine generator. Installation is straightforward, getting you back up and running quickly. This kit includes a generous 15-foot cable. This allows for flexible placement and easy connection to your system. It's not just for salt chlorine generators, it also seamlessly integrates with Hayward Pro Logic automation models PL, PS8 and PL, PS8V. Everything you need is included in this replacement kit. It's a reliable solution for maintaining your pool's automation system. Crafted for durability, this sensor replacement ensures long-lasting functionality. Trust in Hayward for reliable pool equipment. What we like. This is a direct replacement temperature sensor kit featuring a 10K thermistor and a 15-feet cable, specifically designed for Hayward salt chlorine generators and Pro Logic automation models. If you have a Hayward system that requires a new temperature sensor and you need a reliable, easy-to-install part, this kit is an excellent choice. It's ideal for maintaining the optimal performance of your Hayward pool equipment. What people say. The Hayward Temperature Sensor is a reliable component for monitoring water temperature in pools and spas. Its accurate readings help maintain optimal water conditions, ensuring a comfortable swimming experience. The sensor integrates seamlessly with Hayward automation systems, providing easy access to temperature data. Number 1. Hayward AquaPod 2.0 Wireless Remote. Meet the Hayward AquaPod 2.0, your ultimate solution for controlling your pool and spa. This advanced remote offers seamless integration with your existing Hayward control systems. Enjoy complete command over your pool, spa, and other outdoor features. It allows for control of multiple heaters and chlorinators, providing unparalleled convenience. Designed for the elements, it's 100% waterproof with built-in rechargeable batteries. You can even operate it while it's charging, ensuring uninterrupted control. Its 4.3-inch color LCD touchscreen offers convenient nighttime viewing. Easily navigate all its functions with this intuitive display. This device is dual equipment capable and requires a wireless antenna for communication. It works exclusively with Hayward Pro Logic, AquaPlus, or on-command control systems. Rest assured, this is an original equipment manufacturer, OEM, part, guaranteeing quality and compatibility with your Hayward system. What we like. This waterproof wireless remote offers full functional control of your pool, spa, and other outdoor features, even operating while charging. If you desire ultimate convenience and want to manage your pool equipment from anywhere in your yard with a vibrant touchscreen display, this is the product for you. It's perfect for tech-savvy pool owners who appreciate modern, user-friendly control. What people say. The Hayward Temperature Sensor is a reliable component for monitoring pool water temperature. It accurately reflects the water temperature, allowing for precise control of heating systems. The sensor integrates seamlessly with Hayward pool automation systems, providing real-time data. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.